Finish this morning session with an activity which is called a Mingler. And it's one, again, you can supplement. And you can supplement at the end of the lesson after you've done some more of these exercises, depending on your time. And that one is here, what I call a grid. So what I would suggest you do is to take a piece of paper, turn it over, and copy the grid. Copy the grid. And what you're going to do is put, where it says name, you're going to put Jiao. Okay, 你叫什么? Then you're going to write 运动. Is it 运动? Okay. And then you're going to write 为什么? 为什么? Or 因为. Yeah. 为什么? 为什么? Okay? That's very easy. Now what you have to do now is you're going to get up and ask people. So what's the first question? 你叫什么? We can ask that second question. 你喜欢什么运动? 你什么运动? Good. Okay. So can you ask? We've got somebody whose back is here. Can you ask? Okay, can you turn around? Can you ask her the first question? Okay, she's going to ask you. Okay. No, 你叫, but 运动.
Okay, 你喜欢什么运动?
我什么运动都不喜欢.
Wrong person to ask. Never mind. That happens. It doesn't matter, because then what does she write? She has to write. Yeah. 为什么? Okay, so what she has to do is under sport, she writes. What is she going to write? No sport. 没有运动 and 因为 the answer. Okay, again I would do 3 open pairs, but we don't have time. So have you drawn your piece of paper? That's very small. Because you have to write on that. You need it to be big so you can write. Okay, now what I want you to do is to get up. This is a Mingler is very useful for getting people at the front to talk to students at the back. To talk to students they don't usually talk to. This one has only 4, but it can be 5 or 6. Depends on how many you want, and you don't have to make any photocopies because they have to copy it. Okay? You can do the information in Chinese. Because it's a Chinese class. For your students, it's a Chinese class. So they have to write in Chinese. But it's elementary, so probably will be pinyin. So they have to do these, and you check the questions, okay? All right, so you're going to stand up, and you're going to ask different people. As soon as you get the answer, you move to another student, okay? So ask... Because of time and you want lunch, okay, we'll do 2. At least get 2 different people from a different part of the room, okay, from a different part of the room. Get up, walk and move. What you can do now, before you do any feedback, is you put your students in their groups and they share the information about the people they spoke to. you know. So you can ask, who did you speak to? Okay, what kind of sport do they like? You can have them make a poster. They can make a poster together, or they can write a paragraph using the notes about the people they learnt about. So it comes from a speaking, listening activity and becomes a writing activity, another speaking, writing activity. And after the break, I'm going to show you about the story and show you how we can use it as a group writing activity, okay? I hope you enjoyed that. It's very, very flexible because you create your own, and there are hundreds. So, for example, that we had colors and clothes, and you could easily say, 你最喜欢什么颜色？你最喜欢什么衣服？你最喜欢穿什么衣服？ Please, again, apologize for my pronunciation. I can put the words together, but I don't get the tones right. Okay, all right? So it's a very simple thing to do, and it's very flexible. Okay.